Yeah, I'm going to start with that question only. Just give me 1 second. I'm going to. Today, Tanish is not here. Girls are not here. What is this? Ready? Okay. Wait. It listens to phone. Yeah, they came and after that I don't know where they went. They need to teach all these questions. Let's start. I think this question is there in the set or not. I need to check. Wait 1 minute, but I need to share that link. Let's start the class, please. Yeah, I shared the link. Now look here. We're starting the class. So that last class question was there. Now I think it is there in the set means one set I'm going to provide you. Vector, vector, vector. Yes. Vector part 1 or vector 1? This question is yes. Ready everyone? This was the question. But we are starting with this question. Write all unit vectors in xy plane. What does this means? We're starting with the basics. Yes, this question I'm going to solve. Let's check this one out. Is this in the set or not? This was the question, Abita. Can you read the question, please? A girl walks. A girl walks 4 kilometers towards west, and she walked 3 kilometers in the direction 30 east of north and stop. Determine the girl displacement from an initial point of departure. Is this the same question? This is this question already. This is NCRT question, and this question came in exam. So we will do this question. But beta, first we are going to do this question. What is exactly given in this part is write all the unit vectors in xy plane. So first we are going to draw xy plane. Okay. Now look here, Madesh. That part we are going to do, but one by one we will do beta. So first xy plane. So we will draw one xy plane. So this is your xy plane. Start drawing it, please. So this part is exactly your what beta xy plane. This will become x dash. This part will become y dash. This is xy plane. Okay. Now what they are telling is find all the vectors of which part beta xy plane. So xy plane will be consisting of a resultant vector r vector. So let's draw something. Let's draw. Okay. So now when you are drawing this one, what is exactly this is the resultant R. We are going to put that. Okay. Good evening, beta. Good evening. So here R vector means a resultant vector R vector we are going to take. So when we are writing a resultant R vector, okay, just for a simple understanding. Now, so here if I am taking as R vector, but beta here this point when I am taking, can I consider this as X and Y? Correct, na? Because any point we have taken, good evening. So any point we have taken, beta when we have taken this point, Sanjay, can I do like this? So what is this width, beta? x. What is this width beta? Y. Done na? One width is coming as x, one width is coming as y. Now beta, they're telling all in xy plane. All unit vectors means what? All unit vectors means this part. Are you understanding, Madesh? So here when all unit vectors they're telling beta, that means total in all the four quadrant we have to take. Got it? Total in, see. So here one thing is there, Ajay, you need to understand this part. Like if somebody will be asking you unit vector is direction specific. Understood? The magnitude of unit vector is 1. What is the magnitude of unit vector? 1. So they are telling that keep write all the unit vector in xy plane. All the unit vector. How many unit vectors will come in xy plane? That you write. That means what? It is exactly Shivaranjani. Good evening, beta. So here you need to understand one very important point, that when you are talking about xy plane, listen very carefully this point. And all the vectors of xy plane, because you have to take as first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. All four quadrant you have to take. Okay. So once you are taking all the four quadrant, so that means when you will consider this part, what it is coming, beta? Circle it is coming. Correct now? So what is the equation of the circle? Can anybody tell me? X square, when the center will be there, then what is the equation will, beta? The equation will become x square plus y square is equal to 1. This is what, beta? Equation of circle. Note down quickly. So this is exactly equation of circle. But when this equation of circle will come, when we will write resultant, what is the magnitude of r vector? Magnitude of r vector is root under x square plus this. And beta, you know that r vector is what? R vector is a unit vector. R vector is what? Unit vector. So magnitude of unit vector is always 1. So here it will become 1 is equal to root under x square plus y square. When you will square both sides, you will be getting this one. That is the equation of circle. Note down please this one. That will become what, beta? Equation of circle. And this center is where, beta? Its center is at the origin. Come on, note down this here. Now we will be talking about the angle subtended, beta, because we are going to talk about the entire four quadrant. So since we are going to talk about the entire four quadrant, how we are going to proceed this one is, come on, say. When this is taken as theta, beta, what you are going to write here? Can you tell me? R vector is equal to xi plus yj. Here x can be positive also, negative also, means because we want all the four quadrant. So we have to write something which can give us positive and negative both values. Correct now? Now here this is what, beta? X. Can I write cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse? Done. Once we are writing like this, what is the magnitude of hypotenuse here? Because it is a unit vector, what it is? 1. So cos theta is equal to, beta, x. So here instead of this, what we are going to write? Cos theta. That means once theta is coming, so theta can go from 0 degree to 360 degree. That means you will rotate all around. Sadhana, good evening. This is very bad. You are coming, you should come offline now. So now look here. So it is exactly how much angle you can move from 0 to 360. What about y? Y means this part. Can you tell me, beta? This is perpendicular and this is hypotenuse. What you are going to write? Sine theta is equal to y by hypotenuse, because, beta, sine theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse. And, beta, this one is width. Got it? So here it will become r vector. So y is coming as how much, beta? Y only, because this one value is coming as 1. So here what value you are going to write here? So here this into I cap x component and this into j cap y component. Now theta angle can be anything, and the theta will keep on dancing in the axis and give you all the unit vector in xy plane. It will give you all the unit vector in xy plane, and this is the jackpot part. And whenever anybody will ask in MCQ, they can ask this question. You need to understand that write the unit vector in xy plane. Write the unit vector in xy plane. Then how you are going to proceed, beta? Cos theta I cap plus sin theta j cap. You remember this, you write in note in xy plane. In xy plane, unit vector, all the unit vector will be presented like this. R vector is equal to cos theta I cap plus sin theta j cap. Don't miss this one. Please, I request all of you. All the unit vector. Can I explain one more time, Sanjay? Now look here, beta. I started with what? XY plane. XY plane means, beta, x axis and y axis. Understood? Now, beta, when I started x axis and y axis, one thing you must notice, when I'm writing x axis and y axis, I did only acute angle. Correct, na? After writing acute angle, I took a point. That point will only rotate, na? That point will only rotate. They asked unit vector. Unit vector means what? Any vector whose magnitude is 1 is considered as unit vector. Any vector whose magnitude is 1 is considered as what, beta? Unit vector. So here R is the resultant vector I took. So R vector can be written as what, beta? Xi plus yj. But its magnitude will become what, beta? X square plus y square root. But magnitude value is 1. And this squaring means it will come as a circle. So only I have drawn this one. Got it? So you can rotate in any one of the quadrant. You can rotate in any one of the quadrant. Once you are rotating first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant, here only cos theta, angle theta will change. What will change? Theta will change, and this will give you x and y value. So how we did? We just did like this. We wrote base. Base is exactly what, beta? This is base x value. So we know that cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse. So we are getting cos theta as x value, sin theta as y value. So whenever any quadrant you will be going, you will be getting the value. So this is the general presentation of unit vector in xy plane. This is general presentation of unit vector in which plane? Xy plane. Did you got it? General presentation of unit vector in what plane, beta? XY plane. Just to write the formula. That's it. They'll not give you to derive. What they will give you to find. Got it? Understood, no? So x is what? Cos theta. Y is what? Sin theta. Xi plus yj. Got it? Please kindly note down this one. Now that question yesterday, what question doubt was there? Shall we do that question? That question I'm going to draw one more time and explain bit up. That part done? This question done? Madesh, what is the general equation? Cos theta I cap plus sin theta j cap. A happy Chhat Puja beta. But my home also Chhat Puja is done. I am unable to go. Now look here, beta. A unit vector xy plane making an angle 30 degree with positive direction of x-axis. Yesterday itself we solved. So what we have to do here, beta? Just tell me. One part you tell me. What we have to do here is, Santosh, yesterday class also you were present now. What we have done, beta? Unit vector 30 degree angle. Just now we studied total angle is coming as what, beta? In simple way we can write. What did we have done? R vector is equal to what we got? Cos theta I cap plus sin theta j cap. In shortcut, what we will draw? Cos 30 degree I cap plus sin 30 degree j cap. Cos 30 degrees root 3 by 2i plus sin 30 degrees 1 by 2j. Done. So with deriving that formula, is it easy now? Beta, because all xy, we got a general equation. What we got? A general equation. In the general equation, what we have learned, beta? In the general equation, we have learned like that. That cos theta plus I sin theta. Sorry, cos theta I plus j sin theta. Just directly write answer came. Did we have to do anything? If 60 degree will be there, instead of theta, what you are going to put? 60 degree. If 180 degree, 120 degree will be there, 120 degree. Understood? You will keep on getting the values. That's the beauty of this formula. See, what they told, unit vector. What formula of unit vector we have derived? R vector is equal to cos theta I cap plus sine theta j cap. This formula we have derived for what beta? Unit vector. In which plane beta? XY plane. Unit vector in XY plane. And that formula only we are using. And here beta, in this question they have given theta value as 30 degree. So only what you have to substitute here? 30 degree. Got it? So you only have to substitute here is 30 degree. Till here done? Now our question, what you were looking forward for, this was the question. A girl 4 kilometers towards west. Now do this question. This is one of the important question. We are going to understand this question very nicely. I'm going to give some gap and solve, because yesterday I told now in hurry bari I solved that question. After that I told I'm going to do this. So beta, this is exactly, we will take it as this is north direction, this is south direction, this is east direction, and this is west direction. Okay. Now this is exactly coming as origin. Now what they are telling here is a girl walks 4 kilometers towards west. So total how much distance she covered beta towards west? 4 kilometers. Done now? She went which direction beta? She went 4 kilometers west. How much she went? 4 kilometers. Done. So we will put this point as A. After that, what she did? Then she walked 3 kilometers in a direction 30-degree east. How much kilometers she went, beta? She went 3 kilometers. Understood? 30-degree east she went. How much degree she went? 30-degree east, northeast, north of east. Understood? Now determine the girl's displacement from her initial point. Her initial point was this one. We need to find the girl's displacement. Understood? So for this, what and all work we have to do? Till here we got, huh? Now we will place this point as, this point is taken as A, this point is taken as B, this point is taken as L. Can we do like that, beta? So first we need to find this one and we need to find this one. Then we will be able to find the displacement now, because displacement is this point now, beta. This point is considered as x comma y. So what we need to find is x comma y. So first work is we will be finding this section. Are we ready for doing this? We don't know, any idea is there. So this is 90 degree. If this is 30 degree beta, then what will be this degree? 60 degree. Done now. 30 and 60 will become 90. And this standing line is 90. That means total 100. Now beta look here. This is base na. This is base. Because angle and 90, this one will become base. So what we will write here for beta? We will write cos 60 degree will be equal to, what is the base beta? AL by AB. What is the formula for cos 60 degree beta? 1 by 2 AL. What is AB beta? 3 kilometer. So AL is coming as 3 by 2 kilometer. So this AL is how much beta? 3 by 2 kilometer. If this AL is 3 by 2 kilometer, that means 1.5 kilometer. How much kilometer? 1.5 kilometer. Then remaining, what is LO? Tell. What is LO here? If this is 1 point, total distance is 4 kilometer. If this is 1.5, then what is the remaining LO? How much it is? 2.5 kilometer. This LO will be coming as how much beta? 2.5 kilometer. Done na? 2.5 kilometer means 4 by 5 or 5 by 4? 2 by 5 decimal 10. So 5 by 4. Think nicely and then send. Because total is 4. 4 minus 3 by 2. So it is coming as how much? 5 by 2. Because 5 by 2 will come. So here it is coming as 5 by 2. This distance is coming as how much, beta? And this is x, na? So x part is coming how much? 5 by 2. Now, beta, we have to find this one. Why? Because they're asking this displacement. Now, where is she now? She's in xy location. So this displacement we have to find. Displacement means shortest distance. Displacement means shortest distance. Understood? Shortest distance from the point she has started. Got it? So when we have to find displacement, what work we are going to do? Now we will be finding BL. How to find BL? For BL, this is what degree, beta? 30 degree. Now this is, and this one will become base. So what this time what we will write? Cos 30 degree is equal to what is base, beta? BL. What is hypotenuse? AB. That is root 3 by 2 is equal to BL by 3. So how much BL is coming, beta? BL is coming as 3 root 3 by 2 coming 3 root 3 by 2 kilometers. BL is coming how much, beta? 3 root 3 by 2 kilometers. Done? Now, beta, BL is this distance, y value. So, what is x and y? X is coming as how much? 5 by 2. Y is coming as how much? Shortest displacement is this, na, beta, from the origin. So this OB will be exactly coming as what? The resultant vector will be coming. They asked only that vector only, na? So this part is exactly they have asked. I want to check. This question is there or which question? So the position vector is which one, beta? OB only, na? The position vector is OB because they're asking, you see, determine the girl displacement from her initial point. So initial point is origin. So OB vector. Position vector of B is what, beta? OB vector. OB vector will be written as what, beta? OB vector will be X. What is X value? What you have written? X value is 5 by 2. But beta, it is in which direction? Left or right? Left. So will it be plus or minus? Minus. Here this point xy value bxy means this is left of north. So what it will become? Minus 5 by 2. Magnitude was 5 by 2. But opposite direction means what it will become? 5 by 2. And y value will be above. So positive. So it will become 3 root 3 by 2. So what is OB vector representation here as? Minus 5 by 2 I cap plus 3 root 3 by 2 j cap. Come on, go for it, please. Tomorrow exam is there in KB. Monday. What exam? Huh? Physics. Hello, Tanish, where are you here? Oh, sorry. Favorite student, what to do? Beta, some students, they are so hardworking, means they are keeping the place in brain. You people have one place here. So I'm always thinking about you people. Understood? What to do? Mental only. Yes, nothing, beta. I was just, I didn't saw means I was asking where is Tanish. Did this question is clear now, beta? So, beta, what is the general formula we got? General formula for unit vector in xy plane? Cos theta. What is the general formula we got, Vishwa? Cos theta I cap plus sin theta j cap. And that will be equal to r vector. What is r vector? Unit vector. R vector is unit vector. That's the most important catch point we are going to consider that. Are you understanding, Bharatan? So this type of questions means we are not going to leave single thing in unit vector I'm going to teach. Got it? But 90 days means we will start revision also. We'll start revision. We can't leave. We'll teach, study new also. That is leave on me. I am going to do that work. That 90 days slot means we have to, because practical time, January month practical days will be there now. Ready everyone for next question? Madish, now understood beta? This much is coming how much beta? 3 by 2. Then remaining will become 5 by 2. And 5 by 2 represent what value? X value. It is in left side or right side? Left side. So value will be positive or negative? Negative. And this is y. It is coming as how much? 3 root 3 by 2. And our representation of formula is that one. So directly we are substituting there and getting the answer. I hope everybody done that. Yes? Sadhna, where is Joshika? Her performance is dropping day by day. I'm seriously very worried for her. Now, shall we go for the next one, beta? Now, this question you are only going to do. Everyone, start solving this question. Give me the answer. Give me the answer, please. Okay. Right now, time is not there because it's like 7:46. I'll try. Okay. 8 o'clock because bus is there now. Yes. No problem. Come on, go for it, beta. Anyone who can solve this question, give me the value. Final answer you give me. Don't give anything here and there. You just give me final answer. Try this one. Madesh, everyone try this question. Vishwa, try this question, beta. Mehan, I have doubt how in example 1 question 1 is equal to root under, that is 1 is not equal to root under xi plus yj came beta. That is, see, you need to understand, Mehan. You check this one out, beta. In that part, now I'm just going to explain one thing. That is, this unit vector is equal to xi plus yj. By drawing this triangle, Mehan, this part is coming as x beta, this part is coming as y. If you will take this as theta, if you will take this part as theta, then cos theta is equal to, and this is magnitude, no? Resultant magnitude. And this is r is a unit vector. What is r? R is a unit vector, Mehan. So this magnitude will become 1. This magnitude will become 1. Now, beta, cos theta will be equal to base by hypotenuse. So this part will become x by 1. So now cos theta is equal to x. So beta, here you leave that x part. Magnitude of r vector will be what? Root under coefficient x square plus y square. And magnitude of r vector is 1. 1 is equal to root under x square plus y square. If you square both sides, it is exactly forming a circle. So only I did like this. Understood? So only I did like this. Come on, come on, come on. This is seriously a bending, mind-bending question. Come on, solve this question. Okay, come on, let's take this one out. I don't know this how to solve this question. If A vector be the position vector, A vector be the position vector. Now A vector, this part is there. We don't know anything. We'll start from here. A vector be the position vector whose tip is exactly 5 comma minus 3. Find the coordinates of a point B. Another coordinate is there whose point is B. A vector with the whose tip is this one. So I'm going to write it as A vector is there. Its tip is given this much. Okay. Now what they're telling, find the AB vector is equal to A vector given beta. AB vector is equal to what vector given? A vector. After that, what they are telling that AB vector is equal to A vector, the coordinate of point A being the coordinate of point A. We don't know where that coordinate point is, but the coordinate of point A is given as 4 comma 1. Now, can we join this one out? Understand this part. This section is coming. Now, this part one coordinate and this part another coordinate given. We are roughly sketching this one. So this A vector tip from origin I am taking and from here to here I am going. Got it? So A vector plus B vector, A vector plus B vector. It will give the coordinate of being A vector. So we will get the point where AB vector will be exactly lying, correct? Just roughly I'm doing. I'm roughly doing. I don't know anything. I just started with this. One simple layman concept I'm starting. I'm taking this as AB. So OB vector we have to find because they're telling the coordinate of A. We have to find the coordinate of B. We have to find the coordinate of B. So here B coordinate is not this one. We will just roughly write. So B vector part is coming. So another coordinate. One coordinate if I'm writing it as 5 comma minus 3. Another part is coming as 4 comma minus 1. We need the coordinate of this one. So we know OA. So we will write OA vector plus AB vector is equal to OB vector. OA vector is taken as A vector. AB vector value we don't know. We will take it as B vector, come on. And that will be equal to OB vector. So A vector can be written as, the coordinate is written 5 and minus 3. So it will become 5i minus 3j. B vector is 4 and I. So it will become 4i minus j is equal to OB vector. So now what will be coming beta? 5 plus 4 will become 9i minus 4j is equal to OB vector. So what is the coordinate of B? 9 minus 4. That's it. Done. The coordinate, yes, the coordinate is exactly coming as 9 minus 4. Let's check. Yes, answer is also 9 minus 4. I hope you might have understood beta what I did. See, they are telling that A vector being the position vector whose tip is how much beta? Tip point is coming as 5 minus 3. So what we took the tip point as 5 minus 3. And this another point what they are telling it as 4 comma minus 3. Now they are telling what is the coordinate of B. We need to find the coordinate of B. What I applied? Triangle law. Understood? This plus this is equal to this. Done? Draw it, it will become easy for you. Draw it, it will become very easy for you. Tanish understood? Sadhana, Sujata, Sadhana, Shiva. Beta, note down this one. This is tip na beta. Tip part, Vishwa. This part will become the tip part. Sanjay. Tip part means the part from where you are starting. Okay. Origin. We can connect with it origin also. But beta, this is exactly considered as A vector. Another resultant one will become B vector. But simple content I have written, I just added it out so that we can solve this question in a much ease. I hope you might have understood this one. Are you understanding? Okay, 6 minutes are there. After 6 minutes, you can leave. Is it done, beta? We'll go for the next question, please. Now I want you to try this question, please. So that the points forms an isosceles triangle. It's totally your fight. Solve it. Is it going to form an isosceles triangle or not? We don't know. So that that point forms an isosceles triangle. Three vectors are given. Three vectors are given. You need to be very, see, 2I cap. See, here you need to understand that what is exactly given to you here is, okay, 3 points are exactly given to you. This section is this, this and this. Isosceles triangle. So isosceles triangle means, beta, we will take three vertices. A, B and C are the three vertices. Okay. Now, beta, everything can be connected with origin. It will become easy, beta. Okay. So this part will become OA vector. OA vector. So OA vector will be equal to 2I cap. OB vector will be equal to minus I minus 4j cap. OC vector will be equal to minus I plus 4j. Please remember, beta, I am writing the position of all the 3 points. What is this? What is the position of OA, beta? 2I cap. What is the position of OB? This much. And what is the position of OC? This much. Now, beta, if it is isosceles, then any two sides width will become same. Understood? Width will become same. So first, can we find position vector of AB vector? AB vector is written as OB vector minus OA vector. What is minus I minus 4j minus 2I? How much it is coming, beta? Minus I will become minus 3I minus 4j. So what is the magnitude of AB vector? Root under minus 3 square plus root under minus 4 square. How much it is coming, beta? 9 plus 16. 9 plus 16 will come how much? 25. So 25 will give you 5. So AB coming as how much units? 5 units. So 5 units. Same way, will you be able to find BC vector? BC vector will be written as what, beta? OC vector minus OB vector. What is OC? Minus I plus 4j minus OB vector. Minus OB vector is minus I minus 4j. So minus I plus 4j plus I plus 4j. So how much it is coming? This will cancel. It is coming as 8j. So now magnitude of this one will become how much, beta? Root under 8 square. So what answer is coming? 8 units. Now last we have to find AC. What we have to find last? AC. Understood? So for AC, what we are going to write, beta? AC vector will be equal to OC minus OA. What is OC, beta? Minus I plus 4j minus 2I. So it is coming minus I minus 3I plus 4j. That is exactly coming as what, beta? AC vector. What is the magnitude of AC vector? Root under minus 3 square plus 4 square. It is coming as 9 plus 16. Root 25. It is coming as 5. Is it an isosceles triangle? Yes, it is an isosceles triangle because this is coming as 5 and this is coming as 8. So two sides are coming equal. So since two sides are coming equal, so what we have concluded that magnitude of AB vector is equal to magnitude of AC vector is equal to 5 units. Therefore, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Did you got this point, beta? What we have done, we connected everything with, beta, origin. First we find position. How to find position? Whatever is given na, beta, that will become OA. Because from origin, everything will go that direction. Vishwa. So O to A, what is written? 2I. O to B, what is written? This one. O to C, what is written? This one. But beta, our way is to find AB, BC and AC. What did I say? How to write position? Now can you tell me, Sanjay, how to write position of EF vector, beta? OF minus OA. Santosh, understanding beta? So see now look at GH vector. If GH vector is there, Santosh, what you are going to write beta? OH first, right? Minus OG. Understood? So beta, if they ask AB, AB means OB minus OA. What is B beta? This one. What is A? 2, 1. If you will subtract, you will get some value. You get this one, na? Magnitude means coefficient of I is minus 3. So minus 3 whole square and minus 4 whole square. It is coming as 5 units. Done? Yes, beta. And then BC is what? OC minus OB. What is OC? This one. OC minus OB. OB is this one. So subtraction done, only J cap is coming. So here what you are going to write? I part is 0 now. So 0 square is 0. So this part is coming as what? 8 square. 8 square is giving you 8. 8 square is giving you how much beta? 8. Last part is AC. So when you are discussing about AC vector, OC minus OA. OC part is minus I plus 4J. There once you are solving, how much you are getting? This one. Again magnitude. Magnitude means what? Please remember this one. Everyone please remember this part. So magnitude means what? If any vector, R vector is given, listen carefully. R vector is xi plus yj plus zk. Its magnitude means what is coefficient of I? X. So what you are going to write? X square. What is coefficient of j beta? Y. So it will become plus y square. What is coefficient of k? Z. So it will become z square. This is called as magnitude. Understood? So here what did first what we got? We got vector. After getting vector, what we did? We found its magnitude. So this is one thing we are going to do. After getting vector, what we are getting its magnitude. Is it clear? Is the question clear? Now shall we go for the next question, please? Beta, you can proceed. 8 o'clock. Now, beta, find a unit vector parallel to this vector. I want you people to solve this question. Unit vector, last class itself. So here you need to understand this part. Unit vector parallel to this vector. Very easily yesterday, last class I have explained about unit vector. Please kindly proceed this one. You solve. Both of you after reaching home, just give me a missed call or message that I reached. Because you are going very far now. Now please pay attention. Start writing, please. Now look at it. A unit vector parallel to this vector. Last class I have given some promos under, I taught this section. Na? Unit vector parallel to this vector. First to draw this vector. Bharatan, understand. Very clearly I am just writing in the most simplest way. So now beta, this is a vector. Can we name this as a vector? Let name is as A vector. Okay. So this is a vector, A vector. A vector is written as I cap plus root 3 j cap. Done? Now beta, this vector is parallel to another vector. Let that vector be B vector. Got it? They are saying find a unit vector parallel to the vector. So this vector is another vector. We have to find unit vector of another vector which is parallel to A vector. So what is given beta? A vector is parallel to B vector. Done? We have to find B cap. Understood? Done na? Easy. So we have to find what beta? We have to find B cap. So what is the formula for unit vector? First we will find unit vector of A vector. How we will write? Formula is A unit vector is equal to A vector divided by magnitude of A vector. A vector divided by what beta? Absolutely Mehan. So here it is coming as how much beta? Can you tell me? A vector is I cap plus root 3 j cap. Now beta, what is the coefficient? Magnitude means what? What is coefficient of I? 1. So it will become 1 square. What is coefficient of j? Root 3 whole square. What it is coming as? I cap plus root 3 j cap by 1 plus 3, 4. 4 will give you 2. So this is what beta unit vector of vector A. And we know that if two vectors are parallel, remember this one. So if two vectors are parallel, the unit vectors are same. So since A vector is parallel to B vector, therefore its unit vectors are same. Its unit vectors are same. So A cap will be equal to B cap. So what is the value of A cap we got beta? I plus root 3j by 2 is equal to B cap. So the unit vector of second one we got easily. Very good. Super. Ah beta? I didn't get what you're saying. But yeah, because see, you need to understand that when two vectors are there, a magnitude you are finding. So magnitude wise, they will be exactly similar. Now. Same pace. Angle subtended. Theta equal to 0. Yeah, distance will be equal. You need to understand two things here, beta. We know now slope formula yesterday itself we discussed now. When two lines will be parallel, what exactly the slope will be? Slope will be equal. The angle, so tan 0, the angle subtended between that two lines will be what? 0 degree. Understood? Because right now itself you studied unit vector is equal to cos theta I plus sin theta j. So there both the part will be coming as 0 now. So the slope, the content part will be coming same. Angle are coming same. So that's why the unit vector will also come same. You need to understand this one. Like whenever two vectors will be parallel, unit vector, because magnitude wise now. So magnitude wise, they are not interacting. So magnitude, they will become equal. Yes. And beta, when perpendicular case will be coming, that means we are going to generate dot product or cross product. Parallel means slopes are equal. When they are intersecting each other at 90 degree, then we will see dot product or cross product. Got it? So that's something we have to proceed in the coming sections. And Vishwa understood this part better. Yesterday class you attended, today class you attended. Are you understanding? Continuously. Tomorrow also class is there. Please attend maths class, don't leave. Did you did Bharatan? Okay. I removed it. Let me give. Oh, after removing it is not showing back. Everyone try this question. This question came in board examination. This question came in board examination 2017. Two times this question came in board examination. So please solve this question. Two times this question came in board examination. Last it came 2017. So definitely it's old question, but say we can't leave any question which came in board examination. Children, everybody say, are you understanding what vectors I am teaching? Easy na beta? Again, we will start 90 days means again syllabus will start from zero. Bartan, you said now you have to start from the first book. 90 days from 1st November I am starting. Okay, along with case study and assertion reason and true MCQs. That will be personally given to students. It will not be given to outside. It will be only given to students. Understood, Mishra? So we'll start 90 days means you will reach to 50 marks. That 90 days training means you will 100% reach to 50. But you have to come, be ready that I'm going to get scolding means you take it positive. I want that. That boy Darunesh also say, otherwise he's having no scope. He failed in that test. He failed in that previous test. I'm not giving score to school because problem will come. Tomorrow I'm going to give the score in school. The position vector of point A, B, C are this. Beta, once they are writing the position, the word position vector, they are using the word na beta. That means you write A, you write B and C. C divides the line segment AB in the ratio 3:1. That means C is present here, B is present here, and C is dividing AB. But position vector set means you have to write O. And everything is going from where, beta? O to A, B, C. Then what is OA vector? OA vector is lambda I cap plus 3j. Done. What is OB? Come on, say anyone. OB vector is, this is A na beta. Second one is 12I plus mu j cap. And that one is OC vector is coming as how much? 11 I cap minus 3 j cap. So beta, if somebody will write point vertex, then lambda comma 3, B will become 12 comma, sorry, this is B, 12 comma mu, and what is C? 11 comma minus 3. Done beta. Till this much level we have attended. Now what we need to do? Because we know one formula. That formula is internal section formula. What is the internal section formula, beta? Very good. So internal OC vector is equal to MB vector plus NA vector by M plus N. For component wise, if I have to write means what I am going to write? This part will be written in the component format means 11 I cap minus 3 j cap is equal to M. M is how much beta? 3. N is 1. M is written as what? M 3 N 1. So 3 B vector. What is B vector beta? 12 I cap plus mu j cap plus 1. What is A vector beta? Lambda I cap plus 3 j cap by what is there beta? 4. And last class what I told, you have to write according to the axis. So here what you are going to write? 11 I cap minus 3 j cap is equal to, beta, first you resolve for I cap. 3, how much it is coming? 3 into 12? 36. 36 plus lambda. So it is coming 36 plus lambda I cap by 4. Done? Now next one beta. 3 into mu. It will become 3 mu. And beta, that part is 3 j cap by 4. Now beta, equating left side and right side. I component will be equated to I component. So what is that? 11 is equal to 36 plus lambda by 4. How much it is coming? 44 is equal to 36 plus lambda. So 44 minus 36 is equal to lambda. How much is the value coming beta? 8. Lambda is coming as 8. Next part beta. Minus 3 is equal to 3 mu plus 3 by 4. So minus 12 minus 3 is equal to 3 mu. So beta, minus 15 by 3 is equal to mu. So mu is coming as how much beta? Minus 5. So lambda is equal to 8 and mu is equal to minus 5. How is that? Easy enough. Once you're understanding the concepts means you will be able to solve all the questions. Draw this one, Vishwa. One thing you write in your note, beta. Take your time and write everything in your note. Practice, because we don't have too much time. Only handful 90 days are left. In that 90 days only, we have to do miracles. Nothing is impossible. I believe you people can do it. How was the class? You people are understanding what I'm teaching in vectors? This is two dimension only, beta. We didn't touch till now three dimension, cos theta, that part. Is it done? Everyone done? Vishwa written? Question was good or bad? Able to understand? Come on, 21 pages are there. We are just find the value of x, y, z so that the vectors this and this are equal. Nothing is there. Come on, go for it, please. Solve this question, beta. Easiest question. At least 7 questions in a session we have solved here. That's a good thing. But less marks question also. But come on. I think A vector is equal to B vector. Beta, what is given? A vector is equal to B vector. What is given here? A vector is equal to B vector. So when A vector is equal to B vector is given, that is xi cap plus 2j plus zk. Yes, beta. Say that part will be equal to B vector is how much given, beta? 2I cap plus yj cap plus k cap. What is the value of x, beta? Equate x is equal to 2. Close it. What is the value of y? Y is coming as 2. Close it. What is the value of z? Super. Done. See, this type questions they are giving in what? MCQ questions. This type their question giving in where? MCQ formats. So that definitely these type questions. I hope is it clear, beta? Okay, so this PDF will be available for you for remaining questions. Find the magnitude of the vector. Come on, Vishwa, we can do it. What is the magnitude of this vector, beta? A vector is given as what, beta? 3I minus 2j plus 6k vector. So what is the magnitude of this? Root under super 3 square minus 2 square plus 6 square. So how much it is coming, beta? 9 plus 4 plus 36. How much it is coming? 49, and that is coming as 7 units. Super. Easy enough. Now confidence level is rising or not? Yes. We didn't practice that part. Using vector method, distance. We'll solve this question, distance formula. How you are going to do it? Listen, hey, this is a very easy one. Very easy one. Distance out. Hey, look here. Vishwa, done, beta. Coefficient part. Now look here, beta. They're telling using distance formula. How we are going to use distance without using distance formula? Simple method is this is A. This is what, beta? 2, 3, 1. This is B is coming as what, beta? Minus 1, 2, minus 3. Connect it with O. So this part will become 2I cap plus 3J cap plus k cap. This part will become minus I plus 2j minus 3 k cap. This is what beta, we will take it as b vector, and this one we will take it as a vector. So distance formula will be what? AB vector distance they are asking now. So AB vector will be OB vector minus OA vector. What is OB? Minus I plus 2j minus 3k minus OA vector. OA vector is what beta? 2i plus 3j plus k. Come on, go for it. Minus I plus 2j minus 3k minus 2i minus 3j minus k. Come on, what is the value beta? Minus 2i minus I minus 3i minus j minus 4k. This is coming as AB vector. But they ask distance na. Distance means what beta? Magnitude. Distance means what? Magnitude. So what value will be coming as? Minus 3 square plus minus 1 square plus minus 4 square. So it is coming as 9 plus 1 plus 36. So how much? 46. Root under 46. Distance is coming as root under 46. That's it. Root under 46. See what I did? Used, see, the basic concept is position vector. Once position vector is in your command means you will be able to solve any question. Bartan, Mehan, everyone. All my children are able to understand. Vishwa, tomorrow also come for practice with us. Super beta. We are going to keep it till here. I'm having another class. Bye everyone. Okay, I am expecting 40 out of 40 from you, beta. Bye bye. Tanish,